Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lemia and I'm so happy to have you here today. So we are going to be doing something so fun. We are going to be reviewing the new Fenty Skin from Rihanna. I was really excited about this because Rihanna already has her, Fenty makeup line. And so when she came out with skincare, I was like, I gotta get that. So I got it, I think yesterday. It came in yesterday. But I'm just gonna review, and there are 3 products. It is a total cleanser, remove it all cleanser. And this is it right here. So the packaging is really nice. And I like how she added in where you can, reuse the packaging, but you just have to get like a refill because that's so good for the environment. And the packaging is really nice and sleek and beautiful. So without further ado, let me not go on a rant, but I'm just gonna try it out. My hands are clean. I have like a moisturizer on my skin, but obviously we are gonna test out the cleanser. So I'm gonna test that out. And then I'm going to go wash it off. And it smells good. Doesn't have like a strong scent, which is good because I have really sensitive skin. And it's a very like, it's kind of a thick consistency, I would say. But yeah, I just put a little bit on my skin. And then I'm going to go wash that off. And then I'll show you the next steps. So it's not really like a foamy cleanser. It's more of like a gentle. It's really gentle on the skin. It's not. Yeah, and it doesn't smell. It has a nice smell. It doesn't have like, a chemically smell. So yeah, I'm gonna go wash this off. And then yeah, so I put that on the cleanser, and then I'm gonna go wash that off. And nothing at all, like it doesn't feel like my skin feels clean, but not super dry, which is good. Because you don't want like a cleanser that's like leaves your skin feeling like super dry. Like that's not good. So then the next step after the cleanser is the fat water. That's an interesting name, but it's pore refining toner serum, and this is it right here. But yeah, so it says instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, evens skin tone, and fights shine without stripping skin. Wow. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit of that on my skin. And then I'm just going to pat that into my skin. That has a really nice smell as well. So I'm just patting it into my skin. Okay. So I just patted like literally a dime size amount into my skin, not too much. And then I'm gonna go in with hold on, I have to open up, well I don't have the packaging, but I'm pretty sure this is just, oh here it is. It says Fenty Skin Hydra, and it's an invisible moisturizer broad spectrum of SPF 30 sunscreen. And like I said, this has like the reusable packaging. But yeah, so I'm gonna put that on my skin. And it has a really nice smell as well. So I'm just gonna put that all over my skin. all of these products smell so refreshing. Like, I love the smells. And it's not too heavy. So I'm gonna pull some down to my neck, because can't forget your neck. Just gonna put that all into my skin. Yeah, they all have really pleasant fragrances, and they're not like overpowering, like overbearing, you know, which is nice, especially if you see. I don't know, because I have sensitive skin, but my skin doesn't feel, you know, irritated, because sometimes when I use products, you know, my skin instantly will feel really irritated, but these, like, it feels so calm and just refreshed and moisturized. But I'm just making sure that it gets into my skin. But yeah, so that completes the review of Fenty Skin. Really quick, I'll just, because I didn't read this originally, but the cleanser says hyper clean, soft skin without stripping or drying. It's a daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. So that's good. So yeah, this is the cleanser. After you do the cleanser, you go in with the pore refining toner serum. And it says instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, even skin tone, and fights shine without stripping skin. So yeah, and then after that you go in with the Hydra moisturizer and SPF 30. So these are all the products, guys. The Fenty Skin line, and so far I'm loving it. I will continue to use the products for, I would say, like 2 weeks. I think I'll just do that, because I'm also going to be reviewing some other skincares as well. So but yeah, I'll try it for like a few days, and I'll see how my skin, you know, reacts, if my skin likes it, if my skin doesn't like it. But yeah, my skin feels really moisturized, but not, you know, like oily, if that makes sense. So we'll see. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!